Hello guys, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you math functions in Python. So basically we have been learning so many things about Python. So in this video I'm going to teach you math functions in Python. So math functions is very useful. For example, when you work with the math related problems in Python, the math function is going to be very helpful for you. So I'm going to teach you in a minute. So the first things I want to teach you is going to be import math. So this is the library. So we have been learning so many libraries such as Daytimes and OS and so on and so forth. So in this video I'm going to teach you math library. So this is a module. In other words, it's a module which gives you the ability to work with math in Python. So the next things I want to teach you is I'm going to create a simple variable called result. I'm going to use min function. I'm going to say 10 and 5 and some other data. Okay, so if I print out the result to the console, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this program and I will get the minimum number. So the basic idea, no more complicated things, the basic idea of min method is to return the minimum number, or in other words the lowest number from the list you have given. So there's another one is called max. For example, this is going to be min returns the minimum number, okay, lowest number. The other one is going to be max. For example, if you use max method, the max method is going to return the maximum number from the list, okay, and also see that it is going to return the maximum number from the list, okay. And the another important things that I want to teach you in this video is how to do some power, such as, for example, if I want to result, I'm going to type result and say pow. So I want to get the 2 to the power 4 is going to, how much 2 to the power is going to be. So if you want to get any power, or like 2 to the power 4 or 10 to the power 2, you can use this pow method in Python. So I'm going to execute this program and you can see 16. So I'm going to say 2 to the power 2 is going to be 4, 2 to the power 3 is going to be 8, and so on and so forth. So this function is very useful if you want to get the power of some number. So the next things that I want to teach you is going to be square root. So for example, if you want to get number square root, you can use this method. Okay, first of all type math and sqrt, then you have to type the number you want to get. So if you run this program, the program is going to return the square root of the given number. So I'm gonna say like that. So it is going to return the square root of the given number, okay. The next things I want to teach you is math.py. So if you want to get the result, which means the pi value, you can use math.py. So this one will return to you the pi value to you. So basically the next things I want to say is power. If you want to return power, the syntax is going to be look like this. So pow is going to be the things. The second things I want to teach you is going to be math.py returns the pi value. The second things I want to teach you is chill and floor, okay. What this function is going to be doing, so if you use CEIL method, if I run the program, it is going to convert the value to the upper stage. For example, if you put 1.1, it is going to be 2, okay. It does not care about point value, it will directly upward to the next level. So the chill will returns chill method, CEIL method will give you upwards, okay, upwards the value, okay. The another one is going to be, I want to teach you this, the things is called floor, okay. This one is going to be doing different jobs. For example, it is going to downwards, which means if you put 1.9, it's going to be 1, okay, but if you use chill instead of CEIL instead of floor, is going to be 2, because the floor is going to be, okay, floor is going to be will downgrade the value. So that is all about math in Python, but there are lots of things that you can do in Python. So specifically speaking, there's a library called NumPy. That is a third-party library that you can download by using pip install. So that is going to be a perfect one for math related things, and there are a bunch of libraries available, and which is written by some software company as well as some open source contributors. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.